Welcome back to my channel where I talk everything about photography and video production. If you're a photographer looking to elevate your career, you're in the right place. Today, I'm diving deep in the world of networking and how it can open doors for your photography business. Before we jump in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more content just like this. Let's get started. If you're looking to build a sustainable photography business, remember one fundamental rule: people do business with people. Networking must be a key strategy in your business. Networking refers to the act of building and maintaining relationships with other professionals in your industry or related field. It's an important aspect of your photography career development and can help you expand your knowledge, opportunities, and connections. I'm hoping this video helps you with your first step toward building a strong and supportive photography community around you. Networking is a powerful tool that can take your photography career to new heights. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting, building meaningful connections can lead to exciting opportunities. So, why is networking crucial for photographers? Networking opens doors to collaborations with other creatives, models, and businesses. These collaborations can result in stunning photo projects, mutual promotion, and paid gigs. Connecting with fellow photographers allows you to learn from each other, share experiences, and grow together. Attend workshops, volunteer as an assistant photographer, join photography clubs, and engage in online communities to expand your knowledge. Now that we understand why networking is essential, let's explore some effective strategies for photographers. Utilize social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn to showcase your portfolio. Engage with your audience and fellow photographers by commenting, liking, and sharing their work. Attend local photography events, workshops, and meetups. This is a fantastic way to meet like-minded individuals, potential clients, and industry professionals who all have, in some way, shape, or form, in my experience, have provided me with more opportunities I wouldn't have gotten without their help. Always have a professional-looking business card on hand. It's a tangible reminder of your work and provides potential clients with your contact information. Networking is not just about exchanging business cards. It's about building genuine relationships. Here are a few ways for you to nurture those connections. After meeting someone at an event or online, don't forget to follow up. Send a personalized message or an email expressing your pleasure in meeting them and expressing your interest in a potential collaboration. Offer your skills and knowledge to others. Whether it's assisting a fellow photographer on a shoot or sharing editing tips, providing value is such an effective way to further strengthening your relationship. Networking can be intimidating, especially if you're an introvert or new to the photography scene. Here are some tips to overcome some of these common challenges. Have a concise and compelling elevator pitch ready. This helps you to introduce yourself confidently in various new networking situations. An elevator pitch is a brief way of introducing yourself and getting across a few key points and making a connection with someone in under 30 seconds. Authenticity goes a long way. Just be yourself. Share your passion for photography and show genuine interest in others. And there you have it. Networking can be a game changer for your career. Remember, it's not just about who you know, but how you connect with them. Start implementing some of these strategies and watch your photography business enter new opportunities. It's not a fast fix, nor is it easy, but it must be done. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. I'm Robert Silver, and until next time, keep shooting and stay creative.